So hello guys, my name is Aryan Shinde and today I brought a wonderful opportunity from Goldman Sachs. So Goldman Sachs has announced its summer analyst internship program. So currently students who are pursuing their degree programs will get able to work at one of the most top financial companies in the world. So don't miss on this opportunity. So let us begin. So first and the foremost thing that I really want to mention that is yesterday I posted a video about a similar opportunity from Goldman Sachs, which was for a full-time opportunity. Now, before I prepare any video, I usually test it. I make some one of my friends to apply it, or I test personally if I'm able to apply for it. Now, yesterday when I was shooting the video, I tested whether the applications were open or not. Okay, so the during the shoot, which was really few minutes back, the video was posted. The link was open and it was actively accepting applications. Now, when I posted the video, many of you guys commented that the link was not open. It was not. We are not able to apply. The apply button was not working. So I'd like to say that please make sure you guys watch the entire video, and as soon as the video ends, please make sure to apply as soon as possible. Even if you are taking referral, please don't take long time. Make sure that you apply as soon as possible. So that's it. So this is another opportunity. So let's begin with it. So just again, Goldman Sachs is one of the most top financial companies in the world. They are hiring for summer analyst in the engineering domain, and it is in the month of usually April of May 2027, and it lasts to about like 9 or 10 weeks. And candidates who perform really well in their during their internship get a PPO offer. So please make sure you don't miss on this opportunity. Okay, so let us begin. These are some engineering areas because see, Goldman Sachs has multiple domains and multiple what you may say as divisions. Okay, so there is requirement in each of every domain. It may be some technical requirement, it may be some non-tech requirement, it may require some analytical skills. So they look for candidates who are flexible to work across any kind of domain. So you should have knowledge of MSA. I'm not saying that you should be perfect or you have all kind of knowledge regarding to that, but you should have basic ideas of each of the key domains which in which they work. And yeah, it is one of the most anticipated and one of the most biggest opportunities in the entire what you may say in our country. So please make sure to apply. So software engineering areas, like you should have a knowledge of software engineering, distributed computer systems, machine learning, cybersecurity, big data, cloud infrastructures, similar to what I have said in my previous video. So it is pretty much same, but this time they are hiring for summer analysts. Okay, so yeah, another thing that hiring process. So I will say another time that Goldman Sachs interview is highly centered around aptitude skills, analytical skills, and problem solving skills. Okay, so after your resume is shortlisted, your online assessment will almost 100% have aptitude questions. Okay, and even after the what do you say online assessment, you will when in technical interviews you will have aptitude questions that are the what you may say the minimum requirements, because they will ask aptitude questions for 100% sure. So you make sure that you prepare aptitude questions really well. Other than that, you should also be well versed in DSA. They will ask you lead code type questions. So once your resume is shortlisted, you will be given an online assessment. It may have MCQ type of questions. It may have aptitude, reasoning, verbal questions, quant questions. That after that you may be given some kind of assignments that you need to complete, and along with that you will also have technical interviews. So the technical interviews, you can say there will be a minimum of two interviews. I'm saying that there may be more interviews, but at minimum you will have two interviews. One interview will be focusing on your resume, your what skills do you have, what projects you have worked on. They'll ask you question about the CS fundamentals, like what projects you have won, how you came through this project, what was the need for this project, and all this stuff. So that will be completely surrounded on technical, technical requirements and technical skills. And the next interview will be completely on live coding round. Live coding round, it may be they may give you some lead code style medium hard DSA questions. They might ask you to do a small design type of question that you need to design some kind of system. They might ask you to develop it, and and finally there will be a behavioral round. So it will have non-tech scenario based questions, and this is also a very important round. Please make sure that you prepare well for this round as well. So it is one of the most highly competitive opportunity, so don't take it lightly. I'll say, first thing all, please make sure that you apply after this video. The first and the foremost thing, if you are going for referral, please make sure that you get the referral today itself, by today evening or today afternoon, and apply as soon as possible, because I'm pretty sure this link will also get closed soon. And please prepare well. Okay. And the application rules, okay, whenever you're applying for Goldman Sachs, there are a few things that you need to be aware of. At a time, a candidate can have only 4 active applications, and you cannot make any more applications once you have submitted 4 applications. Okay, now what majority of students do is they keep their 4 application as it is and apply from another account. Please don't do that, you might get blacklisted. If you don't have any applications, go ahead and do, as you have no restriction. But if you have 4 applications, what you can do is withdraw the most earliest application that you may have applied, and then make a new application. Please do not create multiple accounts. Okay, they might blacklist you for this role. You will miss out on a great opportunity, to make sure you do that. Okay, now coming to the eligibility criteria. Okay, so in the official page, you may also check the link given in the description. They are clearly mentioning that students pursuing a bachelor's degree, or they can also be a post graduation student or graduate student. It is not the case, but they haven't specified any kind of batch. So I would say that, so as per my analysis, the last video when I discussed about the full-time role, new analyst role, it clearly mentioned that it was supposed for final year students. That is the batch of 2027. Okay, so for this opportunity, I think students graduating from the batch of 2028 and 2029, they may be from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA degrees, and all, I think so, all departments, whether it be CSIT related, mechanical related, ENTC electrical related, are eligible. But make sure to understand that even if you are eligible, you'll only get shortlisted if your resume is good, if you have relevant required skills and the talent. Okay, eligibility criteria is only a basic filter. It does not carry your selection, or it does not say that you will be shortlisted. You need to have a certain amount of skills that is mentioned, and you need to have the what you may say, the knowledge which is required for the role. So make sure that you have these skills before applying, and create a good resume. Also, one thing I would like to mention, that I have also mentioned in the previous video, when you are applying, please make a proper cover letter, because cover letter does make a difference when you are applying for Goldman Sachs. So make sure that you prepare a good resume and also a good cover letter for this role. Make sure you apply both. Cover letter is optional, but I would highly recommend you to make a cover letter and upload it onto your application portal. And that's it. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. The link for this application will be given in the description. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel, so that whenever a new opportunity comes, my video will be right into your feed. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye, guys.